Welcome back guys. In this video I'm going to show you how I created that thumbnail in Procreate. So I'm starting off with this photograph of myself, and in Procreate I've already got a template which is the same size and dimensions for a YouTube thumbnail. So I'm going to go up to the wrench icon, I'm going to tap add and I'm going to choose insert photo. I'm going to bring that photo in and that'll be on a new layer. Then I'm going to go up to the layers tab, I'm going to hit the plus icon to create a new layer. I'm going to choose this nice orange colour. Then I'm going to go to the paintbrush, I'm going to choose painting and I'm going to choose this Nico roll brush. I'm going to resize it so it's the right size, and then I'm just going to roughly go around the edge to make a border. Okay, then I'm going to tap on the wrench icon and I'm going to tap add text. I'm going to make it all caps and I'm going to type in this thumbnail. Okay, then I'm going to tap the text symbol, choose a nice chunky font, I'm going to choose impact. Then I'm going to choose the select tool and I'm going to resize and position it to where I want it. Okay, once I've done that, I'm going to go up to adjust, I'm going to choose hue, saturation and brightness, and that will rasterize that text layer. So I'm going to bring the brightness right up to make it white. Once I've done that, I'm going to go back up to layers. I'm going to swipe left on that layer and tap duplicate, and then I'm going to choose the layer underneath, go back to adjust, hue, saturation and brightness, and take it right down to make it black. Now staying with adjust, I'm going to choose Gaussian blur, and then I'm just going to slide my finger across to the right until I get the blur where I want it to make the text pop. That's cool. Okay, then I'm going to go back up to layers and I'm going to pinch those two layers together so that they become one layer like that. Now if we tap that new layer with two fingers, we can set the opacity, and we do that just by sliding our finger left down the screen to set the opacity down. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is choose the eraser tool, and then I'm going to zoom in and erase that layer from the subject, like so. Okay, once I've done that, I'm going to go back up to layers, two finger tap again to bring the opacity and bring that back up to 100%. So that gives the impression that the text is behind the subject like that, which looks really good on YouTube thumbnails. Okay, then we're going to go back to the wrench icon, we're going to tap add text, and I'm just going to type in Procreate. Once we're finished, use select to resize and position. Then we're going to go back to adjust, hue, saturation and brightness to rasterize the layer, set the brightness right up to make it white, and then we're going to follow the same process. So swipe, duplicate, back to adjust, set the brightness right down, adjust again to give it some Gaussian blur, okay, that looks good. Now the next thing we want to do is import the logos. So we're going to go up to the wrench icon again, we're going to tap add, and we're going to choose insert photo, and I'm going to bring that Procreate logo in. I'm going to use the select tool to resize and position it. Then we're going to do the same thing again, bring in that YouTube logo, reposition, resize like that. Okay, and when I'm happy with that, I'm going to export it. So up to the wrench icon, choose share, and then I'm going to choose a PNG format, and I'm going to tap save image, and that'll just save that image to my photos. And and that's how I create my YouTube thumbnails. And that's it. If you have any questions at all, ask me in the comments. I'll be really happy to answer anything. And if you found this video useful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of our other videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.